We are here to introduce our third pattern of the year. It's whizzing past already, and we're really, really pleased to bring to the Sew Over It gang the Maeve blouse. So Maeve is quite a classic workwear style blouse, but she can be dressed up as well, like all sewing patterns can. So to talk you through some of the details, you have got two ways to finish the front of the blouse. So Chloe has got on version 1, which has got rouleau loops and buttons on there. And then I have got version 2, and I'll maybe go a bit closer because you might not be able to see, but it's got lovely little bows all the way down, so it's super cute. And then the other sort of standout detail of Maeve, is the sleeve. So what we've got here is, I feel like we're both doing this. It's a sleeve with a faux cuff, so you've got that cuff shaping on there, but it's all part of the same pattern piece, and you've got a little area of the sleeve that gathers it into this faux cuff on the outside of the sleeve. So you sort of get a smooth sleeve on the inside, but then you get a bit of volume, a bit of drama.
The pattern piece is bonkers,
it's
isn't
so
it?
good. I was about to say, the shape of it, you're like, huh?
Yes.
And yet that turns into
it all
what
comes
looks
together
like a cuff, but without a cuff piece. It's very
so you
clever.
get a nice full bit here, but it's not too bulky, so you could probably still fit a cardigan or a jacket or a blazer.
And it comes in the 2 lengths, so Chloe and I have got the both lengths, both the same length one, but it also comes in a full length as well.
The same faux cuff effect.
Exactly.
Which is something really fun that you found doing a bit of research. I just loved it. You can tell when you're excited about something, you're like, I've got an idea.
I love the maths of patterns, and I love how flat things become these beautiful structured things. And it was the weird pattern piece that I was like, this is fun. And actually been sewing them up, because I've sewn quite a few now. It only takes the same amount of time as it would to sew a sleeve and a separate cuff.
Would it? Okay,
absolutely.
That's interesting.
But you just have to really follow the instructions, not go all over the fire. As I tend to do. Be like, oh, I know what to do. It's a cuff.
No, it is a bit.
Follow the instructions.
So other than, these are the standout features.
Yes.
But otherwise, she's got kind of a soft V neckline, not too low. It's very sort of workwear appropriate, but it's got a bit of, it's a little bit wider. I think it's nice how you can sort of see the collarbone.
Very elegant.
Yeah,
elegant. Yeah.
And she definitely has a bit of ease around the waist, so it's not super fitted, but it is a nice shaped side seam, and also there's a bust dart too. Yeah. So there is shaping in there, and if you want to make alterations around the bust, you've got the bust dart to start you off with.
And speaking about the bust area, I'm very keen to point this out because
I was like,
what is she going to say?
Basically, with the types of closures that we've got here, both with the rouleaus and the buttons and the bows, there are some blouses that maybe just have that, and there's nothing behind it, and you're left with a strip of very visible flesh.
Yes, which we did not want.
We did not want. So Rose has been super clever and put a shield.
Yes, there's a button shield.
There you go.
So even if I pull up bits apart, you're not going to see
it. You can wear a bra, which sounds like a great thing to me. What a novelty. But I just think it makes all the difference, because I really like the style of, some different type of closures at the front. But then you'd have to just, what do you do if there's just...
Well, you couldn't wear it for work.
You could not wear it for work, that's for sure. But yeah, maybe just at the beach or a bikini, but yeah, it's not practical, guys, okay? But ours is, so we're very proud of that. It just looks so cute. So the process of the rouleaus and the bows is kind of similar, right?
Yes, it is. So yeah, the rouleaus are like obviously a bit of a trickier technique, but we do have help on Stitch School for this. So we've got a class taught by Julie, our couture queen, on how to make the finest, most delicate rouleau loops of your life. They are just spot on. And you actually make the long strips of rouleaus for both versions. You keep them long for the bows, or you chop them up for the loops.
So you're not making teeny tiny loops, you're making a long kind of shoe and then chopping it, which is, I think, makes it sound less scary. But because of the rulers, because of the little cuff detail, this is a slightly harder or like more advanced, intermediate.
It's definitely, yeah, and I would say, in all honesty, it's a solid intermediate.
Solid intermediate.
Quite often we're like, it's intermediate, but you know, maybe if you're a confident beginner.
Yeah.
But
this one probably
I think it is a solid intermediate. I think
fair. We have a bit of everything. We have plenty of like absolute beginner, confident beginner. Yeah. This one is if you really want to get stuck in with some techniques.
Yes.
Learning new things, which we love. Yes. And also taking your time, I would say, to get the details.
Exactly that. And you can kind of make it easier or harder on yourself depending on the fabric you use as well. So fabrics we've got.
We've actually got both of ours made in a crepe. Mine's sort of a really soft, it's got tensile fibres and viscose in it, and it's sort of textured.
Very fluid.
And this is from System and Taka. So I think it's called a bark crepe.
Yeah, that's what that sort of
texture
texture
looks
like. Texture. Honestly, it feels so luxurious. Really, just so soft and lovely. But yeah, you need something with like some drape because of the features, because of the way that it sits. It's very sort of soft, isn't it? So something with a lot of drape will just look really nice and elevate it. We could do it in a cotton lawn. It would possibly be the lightest cotton that you want to use. I think it'd look really nice with the bows.
Yeah, it might stand up a little bit more.
So the different fabrics are going to give you a different look.
Result, for sure.
And depending on your fabric, your rouleau loops.
Some
fabrics are just you're not going to be able to get the really narrow ones.
Super narrow,
but that's also
that
fine.
Would be a
bigger,
plus, right?
Yeah,
bigger statement. So
why not?
See what you fancy. And I mean, I've sort of styled it sort of as workwear. So I've got it with my Nina trousers today.
I think it's such a power outfit.
Yeah, I do.
I love
quite
it.
like power.
Yeah.
But I mean, brighter fabric. You're going out, really, aren't you?
Yes,
I know.
Evening
Yeah. With my Peggy trousers, it's perfect.
Love it.
I might
jeans,
just,
it would be great.
Yeah. I was thinking Ava would be really
Yeah, we have
smart.
it in the photo shoot.
Yeah,
we have our lovely
Oh.
models Zoe and Janine. We've got them wearing the Maeve blouse with an Ava skirt, with a Miriam skirt, which is quite vintagey.
Yes.
With the Rita trousers from our vintage
nice.
book, and with our ultimate jeans, which is
just
a staple, everyday, perfect.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think, and she looks very nice, both tucked in and untucked. The length, if you want to demonstrate, Chloe.
I do tend to wear my things untucked a lot. I was wearing it with my Xanthi skirt as well, and that's like a light denim, and then just like
good combo.
that felt a bit more cash.
Yeah. There's something about the suiting type fabric of your Ninas and that kind of Maeve
just
that is very like right. What we're doing today is
what are we doing today?
achieving goals. Chloe's taken over. But yeah, I don't know. I really, really love it. And yeah, as you say, it can be a little bit more fun, but definitely you can go to the office wearing your Maeve and then go out. Change into some heels.
But yeah, I just love a piece that will just fit into your wardrobe.
Yes.
It's got the details, so it's a really nice, chunky, meaty make.
Yes.
But also, you know you're going to get a lot of wear out of it. That's always worth it, isn't
One
it?
of those ones I think you're going to grab out of the wardrobe and be pleased with yourself.
Yes.
Which is my favourite thing.
I love that. And like,
I made that.
The little detail. Didn't that turn out well? That's very nice. And also, so it is, as we say, it's an intermediate pattern, but our new booklet, so since our Xanthi skirt, we've started putting in a little bit more zhuzhing up of instruction booklets. So you still get the black and white booklet if you like to print them out, so there's not too much wasting. But we also have a colour booklet, and you'll get beautiful pictures, and very importantly, you get lots of links. If you're a Stitch Cool subscriber, you get links to all the relevant tutorials. So I think that, I don't know, makes you feel like you're in safe hands as you approach a pattern that maybe is a little bit okay, let's think about things.
Yes.
Let's focus on
Yes.
this. Having those buttons that take you straight to stitch tools, so useful. And there's a new class about the ruler loops, of course, as we talked about, but there's lots from the back catalogue.
Yes. Yeah. That's all going to be very
It's all
useful.
there, and you know, instead of you having to search every time, if you're a subscriber, you just press that button, it takes you straight to the class. And you can watch them, and we'll be with you as you make your way, which I think is very reassuring to have like that support system. And then what else is mentionable?
So for sharing Maeve,
Yes.
So if you have made up a Maeve so fast and you cannot wait to share her, then you want to use the hashtag SOI Maeve Blouse, and you can also use that for looking for other people's versions.
There'll be lots of Pattern Insider versions by now, hopefully. They've made incredible versions, very different as usual.
Yes, I
seeing
love
that.
the variety of it.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I love it.
And with all our patterns now comes in sizes 6 to 30.
Yes.
PDF, we can also print that off for you as well.
Yes,
Get it to your own
absolutely.
home.
And we'll be sharing lots of things around Maeve. There'll be, in the coming weeks, there'll be videos, there'll be pictures of our gorgeous models that made us very happy at our last photo shoot. They all just look fantastic, including Chloe here.
Oh, yes. God, she's right
And
here.
she's just there. Oh no! But it was, I'm just very
was really
happy.
great.
Basically, it's a very exciting moment for us once we have the
Yes,
photo
it
shoot
comes to
see it.
life.
It comes to
Oh,
life. It's beautiful.
lovely.
Let us know your thoughts on Maeve. We hope that you love her and that you're ready to make her. You probably have something in your stash that could make it. It
Yes.
doesn't take huge amounts of fabric, and I'd say it works kind of in any type because there's not many interruptions.
Yeah, or
I think a
pattern-wise.
pattern,
Yeah.
like a print that's quite busy, like yours, perfect. A print that's quite big, I think, would look great. Because
Yeah.
the panels
Actually,
of the bodice aren't actually that.
They aren't
busy.
interrupted
No,
at all. Yes,
exactly.
you're right.
A plain, I think, is ideal because then you're going to wear that literally every day. Like that's perfect, and it will go with everything. So yeah, I think it's a workhorse workwear pattern that will work for you. And on that note, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We've got lots of things coming in May, actually.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
It's a good month. It's a good month. And we'll. Oh,
I was just going to say, probably should have been an off-camera thought.
Oh.
Should we say that the next release is our
Is it?
first extra?
Yeah. Oh,
Second extra?
no, it's the first extra, but there's something else before.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay, we've got too much coming in May to even work that out.
Come on,
Very exciting.
Let's stick with the agenda.
Maybe we can
Boss says.
Yeah.
Stay on the
work
straight
quite
line.
well over here.
It's really get control of this situation.
I would say that the next new thing to come out.
Yes.
The next new thing to come out is an extra. So there will be. We've talked about 8 dressmaking patterns coming out this year. This is an extra to those 8.
What?
But there's also something else before, like
Oh, yeah,
exciting.
yeah.
Not totally new, but
Still very excited.
Very
excited. We're
yeah.
very
Very
excited
into it.
about
Very
it in
pleased about it.
the office. But we digress.
Yes.
All about Maeve. Get the Maeve Blouse PDF pattern. Get it printed with us and
Show us your different versions.
Show us your different versions. We can't wait to see them. We have a feeling that she's like a new Sewry classic.
Yes,
That's what it felt
I
like.
think so.
I'm going classic blouse.
Yeah. Heading
One of
into
our
Blouse
staples.
Town.
Heading
I
into
love it.
Blouse. We'll see you again very soon.
Bye.